The standoff over the Strait of Hormuz deepened on Thursday as Iran's newly established Persian Gulf Strait Authority published a map asserting regulatory control over a vast stretch of waterways stretching from Iranian shores all the way to the Emirati ports of Fujairah and al-Quwain. The Iranian body declared that all vessels transiting the area must seek prior authorization from the authority, a claim that drew sharp condemnation from the United Arab Emirates. UAE Presidential Advisor Anwar Gargash fired back on social media, saying the Gulf had grown all too familiar with what he described as Iranian conduct over many decades. We've grown accustomed to Iranian bullying over long decades until it became part of the political landscape in the Arabian Gulf, and credibility has been lost between aggressive rhetoric and hollow declarations of friendship, he wrote. Gargash was unequivocal in rejecting Tehran's maritime ambitions, saying the regime was trying to impose a new reality out of what he called a clear military defeat. Attempts to control the Strait of Hormuz or encroach on the UAE's maritime sovereignty are nothing but fragments of dreams, he said, adding that trust cannot be restored through slogans alone but only through responsible language and genuine good neighborliness. The Iranian authorities' map claims jurisdiction over an area that includes waters directly adjacent to UAE territory, a move Emirati officials say violates their sovereign rights. Meanwhile, diplomatic efforts to end the wider United States-Iran conflict remained mired in contradiction. While a final draft agreement had been reached covering a ceasefire and gradual sanctions relief, a senior Iranian source told Reuters that no deal has been concluded, though gaps between the two sides have narrowed. Iran's foreign ministry dismissed nuclear-related media reports as speculation unrelated to ongoing talks. With all markets on edge and the Strait of Hormuz still effectively closed to normal traffic, pressure is mounting on all sides to find a workable settlement.
News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth.